Hi there, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA, and here is a quick video tutorial to show you how to use your digital bell ringers. Okay, let's just zoom out and take a quick look at what these bell ringers look like when you scroll to both sides. Okay, notice that each slide has a paragraph that has 10 mistakes, a timer, some quick instructions. To the left, you will find hints that tell you what you're looking for in this paragraph. And to the right, you have some digital tools that allow you to quickly edit instead of retyping the entire paragraph. Now, your teacher might instruct you to retype the entire paragraph, in which case you'll use this box to do so. But if you have permission to use the quick edit tools, you'll scroll to the right, and let me show you how to use them. Okay, let's take a look at this paragraph. Okay, one of the first mistakes I see is that the word human should be plural. It should read, "Luck is a wild and wacky concept that has fascinated humans for ages." So I can just drag a little circle up there and reshape it if I wish to show that something's missing and something's wrong there. Now let's say I want to use my digital highlighters because maybe I want to highlight the entire sentence. Let's find the next mistake. Right here. Whether you believe in it or not. This is a sentence fragment. But the sentence is on two different lines, so I'm going to need to adjust this box to make it fit, or highlighter I should say, and then I'm going to hit Control C and Control V and duplicate that, or I could just drag a different one over, and I will stretch it across the rest of that sentence, and now I have the entire sentence highlighted that I wish to show as a mistake. And that's really as simple as it is. So enjoy your digital bell ringers and have a great day.